Hey, what's up everyone? I'm back with another video, and for you guys today, I'll be eating some pork cutlets and some mackerel. And then we also got some bachans on the side and a side of rice. Let's go. I'm gonna start off with the pork cutlet. Oh yeah. My bad. I accidentally inhaled the skin. Mmm. Mmm. Good salad. Uh, Here we go. I'm gonna use my hand for the mackerel. You guys see that? Ooh, look at the herbs. Mmm. Yeah, that was good. All right, kimchi. Here we go. Mmm. Whoa. Huh. That kimchi got some kick, yo. Spicy. I don't know what this is. I want to say it's a cucumber. Yep. Ooh, that's nice. Almost sweet. I don't know what this is. It's nice. I don't know. Oh, maybe bean sprout. I want to say that's bean sprout. Yo. I don't know. Spinach? Is spinach? Ooh. That's good. Okay. This, I believe, is a potato. Here we go. Shit. My bad. That's nice. This? I don't know. I know that taste. I just I don't know what it's called. I forgot. What is it? I forgot. I forgot it. Pork cutlet. Here we go. Radish. That's radish. That was bomb. Yeah. That's nice. Mackerel. Ooh, deep fried, but it's actually kind of juicy. So, it's crunchy, but on the inside, it's juicy. That's what you want. Wow. Here we go. Kimchi. You want the kimchi to hit, like for real. That's nice. Oh, I don't know, it's too much though. Very good. Oh, going back for the mackerel. Woo. Yeah. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Buy a salad. Alright, that's it. Yo. Everything was good. Highly recommend it. I'll put the description down below if you want to go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.